And our crew has it about set up, but they're having some sort of struggle here on the ramp at the last second. So our guy's going to try and kick the stern of the boat over, maybe to level it back out on the trailer. Our guy's still in reverse, though. Oh, he didn't realize it. He was still in reverse. He thought he was in drive, and he wasn't. And man, oh my, that was almost ugly. His crew's looking at him like, bro, I almost lost a leg. He's got it pulled out of reverse, it looks like now, but that one was close. Welcome back, everybody, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. And this crew has got themselves in a little bit of mischief here as well. They can't seem to get this thing out of the water. And this is the third attempt on trying to pull this out. And he gets just right to the top and just can't quite get over the hill. But you can tell it's a little wet here. The ramp's wet, everything's a little slick, and these guys are kind of at the mercy of all that right now. I am a little confused on this one, though, as he continues to spin tires. I'm pretty sure that's a Z71 logo or sticker on the side of the truck. Now, why would you spend the extra money to add the Z71 package to a two-wheel drive truck? This doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me, and I'll guarantee right now my man's wishing he would have just spent the extra money on the four-wheel drive instead of the Z71. But here we go again. We're going to try one more time, get a little bit of a running start, and he's not really getting any further than he was. I mean, he just can't get over that hump. This is one of those helpless feelings at the ramp. I mean, comment below if you've ever had this happen to you, and let me know your story and how you got it out. I have been fortunate that, for me, this hasn't happened at the ramp yet, but now I'm going to knock on wood, and it's likely going to happen the next time I'm there. But our guy's going to get out of the truck and try and assess the situation and see if there's a way he can resolve this one. And our crew here has decided they're going to go for the power out, but the single engine power out, give her hell, and that looks like it'll get the job done for this crew, and they should be able to get out of here on that note. Our crew's making their approach in on the dock, coming in just a little bit hot, so I'm sure we'll see a brake check of some kind. Wifey's got a line in hand. Whoa, Cap left the helm, but the stern's kicking out. Cap's kind of in panic mode a little bit now. He's going to leave the boat. But that boat's still moving pretty good, and man, that's a risky move right there. If he'd have slipped or the line slips out of his hands, this boat would have kept going. He holds on, but man, I hate seeing Caps leave the helm, especially if there's somebody else on the boat. Obviously, if you're the only person on the boat, I understand it. But I mean, if this thing gets away from you and nobody's there, it's gone. And somebody's taking a swim to try and get it, or it's visiting the dock next to you. Speaking of taking a visit, let's head over to 79th to see how things are going over there today. And as usual, it appears 79th Street is doing 79th Street things. The party is always popping over here. It's always good for a nice little visit. Come over, just check it out and see how things are rolling. Little different vibe than typically our Black Point vibe is. Both are great though. I'm not really gonna knock either one, but 79th definitely just gives off a little bit of a different feeling. And here we go, we've got a Glastron on approach to the dock. Got a little bit of a wind and current today. It's been giving some of our caps a little bit of grief as they've been trying to approach the dock. And that wind and current's kind of coming from right to left across our screen. So our cap is trying to dock kind of against the current. As you can tell here, it's already grabbed him, and it's kind of pushing him away from forward. He's going to try and back in, but more than likely he's going to have to back out on this one. He's going to have to come really heavy bow in if he's going to try and go in on 4. I mean, obviously the easy call here would be, it looks like our ski's leaving, would be to possibly go in on 5 and just let the wind and current do the job for you. So Cap's going to back out, try and reassess the situation, and let's see where he goes from here. Hey, see the wave to the camera. Hello, folks. So now they've recognized the cameras here. That really puts the pressure on. And I'm a little confused. So we left 4 to go to 2. But definitely 3 or 5 was the move. And here we can see he's already going to have fits again. And he's probably, I mean, it's going to be a tough approach from this angle. And Cap looks like he's lost it one more time. Oh, the joys of trying to dock a boat. It's never as easy as it looks. Boating's one of those strange hobbies that's like that. Video doesn't typically do it justice either. So it's always my favorite one. You'll see somebody post a video saying they're out in 3 to 4 foot seas, and everybody in the comments is like, look, that's 1 foot. Video just doesn't do it right, man. It never does. And down here at the boat ramp, it doesn't do it right as well. Things when we watch, we're like, man, that should be an easy approach. It just depends. You kind of got to be there. And in this case, everybody's had trouble today going to the even numbers on the docks. And maybe our captain's got, oh, is he going to go for 3? Try and take the easy approach? He still looks like he's not sure. I mean, 3 would definitely be the easy setup. Just get beside it, let the wind and current do the job. But he's coming in a little hot. I think he's still going to miss on 3 even going for it. He's going to have to back out on this one too. Oh, nope, he's going to go in. And we got a hand on the dock. And it took a few minutes, but our guy was able to get it set up. And one last look to the camera like, yeah, they were watching and got us the whole time. But hey, guys, in the end, nothing bad, nothing wrong. You get it done. I mean, it just took a few more attempts than you would originally liked. And here you can tell, I mean, we've got our lady here at the stern undoing lines because they were going in on the other side and had to move it. But this should be good enough for them to be able to get it out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things around the inlets in South Florida. We have my channel, Broncos Guru, who do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.